how to make duet video on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application and you have to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok. So in order to make a duet video, you need to first select the video in which you want to make duet. After selecting, you will be able to see the various options at the right hand side. Among them, you have to tap on the share option at the bottom. From over here, you will be able to see the duet option at the third row at the right corner. You have to simply tap on that. It will take a few seconds to load and process. Until then, subscribe our channel. And after a few seconds of processing, the video that you are trying to duet is in right hand side and your camera will be placed in left hand side. If you want to change this appearance, then you can simply tap on the options available at the bottom, and from over there you can change the appearance. And after that, you can simply tap on the red button. Same like is the way you create TikTok videos, and by doing that you will be able to create a duet video on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.